Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will share with you how to use the natural ingredients you can find around you to repel or kill ants. Grate your onion bulb. Sieve to extract the onion juice. Baking soda. 1 tablespoon of baking soda, into my onion juice. The next ingredients we will need is 1 lemon. I have cut the lemon. I will extract the juice inside. The smells of the lemons marks the centuries that the ants used to get through and from food, and also generally deters them from taking up residence. Turn the whole mixture together. Add half glass cup of water. Sieve the mixture to remove undesired particles. Pour it in your spray container. Our ants and cockroach killer is ready for use. Spray it on your kitchen corners and watch ants and cockroaches die. Any ant that crawls and tastes the water will die. Thanks for watching.